Hi, I'm Lisa Valenti, registered dietitian with Healthline, and today we're taking a closer look at the vegan diet. Whether you eat vegan right now, are curious about being more plant-based, or just wonder what's all the hype about when it comes to cutting out animal products, stay tuned. We're looking at the health benefits and downsides, the foods you can and cannot eat, and what a day of vegan eating might look like. Plus, what you need to know if you're considering being a vegan. Let's veg out. So what foods can you eat and can't you eat? Vegans avoid any and all animal products, including meat, fish, poultry, eggs, dairy, and even honey. So what's left? Vegans eat fruits, vegetables, grains, nuts, seeds, beans, and legumes. Think of tofu, tempeh, seitan, edamame, breads, crackers, oatmeal, lentils, black beans, any and all fruits and vegetables. I could keep going, but I think you get the idea. There are also vegan versions of almost any food that you can buy at the grocery store or whip up yourself in the kitchen. Think vegan milks, meat, burgers, butter, ice cream, bacon, yogurt, brownies, cookies, seafood, dressings, sauces, the list goes on and on. Like almost any diet or way of eating, you can eat a lot of nutritious whole foods, or you can eat a lot of ultra-processed vegan foods. Think about eating lots of salads or grain bowls and vegetable soups, or vegan cookie dough with chips and soda. Those are very different ways of eating, but technically, they're both vegan. So vegan eating doesn't automatically mean healthier, although vegan foods tend to have a health halo around them, where if you're comparing a vegan yogurt to a regular yogurt, you might automatically assume the vegan version is better for you, but that's not always the case. Now, what are the health benefits of eating a vegan diet? When it comes to heart health, there is quite a bit of research that shows a benefit from following a vegan diet. Part of that is likely because eating fruits and vegetables, legumes, whole grains, nuts, and fiber are linked with a lower risk of heart disease, and it's easy to eat those food groups on a vegan diet. Observational studies have found that vegans have a lower risk of developing high blood pressure compared to vegetarians and omnivores. Vegan diets may also help lower total cholesterol, LDL or bad cholesterol, and help reduce blood sugar levels, which are all important for a healthier heart. When it comes to weight loss, vegans tend to have lower BMIs than non-vegans, and many people turn to this style of eating to lose weight. Eating only plants may help people naturally reduce the number of calories they eat, and vegan diets can be effective for weight loss. Of course, the best weight loss diet is going to be one that works for you, that you can stick with. So if your favorite foods are steak and eggs, you may not want to try the vegan diet for weight loss. However, eating more vegetables and fiber or more plant-based meals might still help you lose weight without fully being a vegan. When it comes to your blood sugar, vegan diets can actually help even if you tend to think of lots of carbohydrate-rich foods. It can help keep your blood sugar in check and reduce your risk of developing type 2 diabetes. Vegans tend to have lower blood sugar levels and higher insulin sensitivity, which is a good thing. It's not just that vegan is better, though. The types of carbohydrates you eat and types of foods you choose on a vegan diet are gonna make a difference in your blood sugar level. Plant-based eaters can see a benefit, especially following diet patterns that emphasize whole grains, vegetables, fruits, and beans. The development of certain types of cancers is correlated with the foods that we eat, but of course there's not a silver bullet diet when it comes to cancer. Fruits and vegetables contain lots of antioxidants and may help reduce your risk of certain types of cancer, including stomach, colon, prostate, and throat cancers. Studies have found that plant-based diets may also decrease the risk of colorectal and breast cancer, but more research is needed. So there's a lot of research on the health benefits of eating a vegan diet, but there are also some downsides to consider. Certain nutrients are harder to get when you only eat plants. Vitamin B12 is found predominantly in animal foods, although there are some fortified plant foods you can eat. Vitamin D is harder to come by on a vegan diet, as well as omega-3s, iodine, iron, selenium, calcium, and zinc. Those are all nutrients you'll have an easier time consuming if you eat a balanced omnivore diet. You may want to talk to your healthcare practitioner about supplementing for some of these nutrients if you are a vegan. There are certainly ways to get some of those nutrients into your diet as a vegan without supplements, but it's much harder to do and requires quite a bit of dietary planning. Protein is another key nutrient that people are often curious about on plant-based diets. It's easy to come by when you eat foods like meat, poultry, seafood, and eggs. And while there are lots of sources of plant-based protein, vegan diets tend to be lower in protein compared to other types of diets. For some people who need more protein, whether you're an older adult, pregnant, or an athlete, it may be even tougher to meet your protein needs as a vegan. However, you can do it by eating protein-rich plant foods like tofu, edamame, tempeh, and being more aware of the protein sources in your diet. So trying to include a source of plant-based protein at every meal and snack. What would a typical day of eating look like? It doesn't start with eggs and bacon, but honestly, a day of vegan eating could look like so many different things. For breakfast, you might have a smoothie, oatmeal, or whole grain toast with avocado. Lunch could look like lentil soup, salad with chickpeas, or a hummus and vegetable sandwich. Dinners could be tofu and veggie stir fries, curry with beans and vegetables, tacos with sweet potatoes and black beans, or pasta with pesto and kale. Snacks could be coconut yogurt, cashews, popcorn, and fruit. With some planning, creativity, and a few basic cooking skills up your sleeve, there are a lot of vegan meals you can make. I think there are a lot of benefits to eating a vegan diet, but if you're not feeling ready to give up all animal products, you probably could see a lot of those health benefits by eating more fruits, vegetables, whole grains, nuts, seeds, and legumes. If you are fully plant-based, you do need to eat mindfully and consider some nutrients in particular like vitamin B12, iron, and calcium that are harder to get without animal products. I hope you learned something about the vegan diet today. If you have more questions about vegan eating, let us know in the comments down below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more from me and Healthline.